Hi, and today I'm going to show you how to make the squares pattern on the 4x4 Rubik's Cube. Let's start. First, you need to start with any side you want. I'll start with blue because it's already facing me. We need to turn the layer twice. 1, 2. So you can get the opposite color. Do it again on the other side. 1, 2. Turn your cube this way or that way. It's okay, whatever way you do it. Or you can even turn it this way. I just turned it right, and that's fine. Now we need to turn this side twice here. 1, 2. 1, 2. Here, the first two sides are complete. Now let's do the other 4 sides, which will complete us with the pattern. We do the same thing again. 1, 2. 1, 2. And here is the squares pattern on a 4x4 Rubik's Cube. You can see all the corners have the matching pieces with the edge pieces, and the corners have the same colors as the opposite color. The way you solve it is you do it in reverse. Start with any side you want to. Our big blue side is the blue side because all the centers are blue. Do 1, 2 backwards. 1, 2. Or just do a middle layer turn. And then solve it like a 3x3. There! That's how you solve it. But please subscribe for more videos.